Morning.
All right.
Morning, Mr. Seal.
Yes, sir.
No group today.
They
They
didn't
canceled
come?
last night.
Huh?
They canceled. They couldn't get a group together.
Morning.
He'd already paid, but we got a donation.
Go green.
242.
Mike, is that right?
Up there too?
You're gonna start there.
Yes, you're gonna start over here. Alright. Oh, and Dave's back. Where did you go? I didn't even miss you.
Are you here every weekend or?
Don't take my picture.
Health department called them back and.
You doing green or you doing Buffy? What'd you do, Bob?
They want to know if I killed it.
You decide. I'd say go Buffy. Probably call them about it.
Are they around here, you know?
What?
Are they regularly around?
Had to call them.
They're not real common, but they are regular. The first one I ever saw was sitting on a parking meter in the center of Rockford. When I was walking to work years ago.
So he probably didn't have the coin to change.
No, he didn't. He had a little mark on him, a chalk mark on his tire.
With his jacket, he was becoming
Hey.
Rita,
Rita, he's taking a picture of
No.
your behind.
Don't take a picture of my butt.
Did you
Just a
What kind is that?
A robin, just a regular American red robin.
Very good.
Oh, sorry. Does he have any either? Them all that are on there?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Gary, I know, it makes you so jealous to drive that car, you want to like steal it.
I was offered a trade from Equinox.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yours doesn't have as many miles on it.
One too
Lower
many
bag.
bags. That's
Lower bag.
5-1-7-1-7-1. Gary, you can dig into
These aren't all birds.
Montrose are
Start
good.
taking
I've
off. 63.
had a lot of people
One on,
with experienced
and I'll put the other
bandits
one
come
on.
out here and
Oh,
hold
you guys
one
got
up.
doubles
and
down. That's a row there, okay.
Well, that's not so hard.
They ain't got any really distinguishing marks, they're just a streaky sparrow.
How many sparrows did you tell John? How many species did you tell John you had?
Approximately 170.
I'll get done. What?
That's a bird. I see it in there somewhere. So she tied your head off.
If you look at the
This is a
Some now?
song sparrow.
Which is very hard to what?
Street.
Everything, which is very hard to see through the bag.
This one isn't real obvious,
Well,
but
feathers get messed
they
up.
have like a spot right there that looks like a stick pin.
It has.
If you squint your eyes, you can see. If we're looking at it through binoculars, you can see. But there it is. This is a sparrow that people have trouble identifying because it's just, well, it's stripy and brown and gray. And
It's got a buffy eye ring right now.
it's kind of a big sparrow. It's kind of chunky compared to that field sparrow we were looking at. This one is a lot bigger.
They stay here through the winter too, don't they? They migrate on?
Where do they go?
Some stay here all winter,
Oh, some do, I'm wrong.
and one of those, the second bird we ever banded that showed up somewhere else was one of those. It showed up near Little Rock, Arkansas. Another one we banded showed up near New Orleans. They wintered in the southern part of the United States. Some of them probably even straggled down into Mexico.
Hello there.
Morning.
I got your name tag out, but your mom, you've got one, but you need to dig around and find a plastic thing to put it in the thing. Ow,
1911.
581.
attention deficit. That's Lisa's
Well,
husband.
that's not what the check, he called it something else then.
He wrote this book down here, it's really good. Tells about his, he
We
didn't
go
find
out
out till
on
he was
a
50.
walk,
That
field
was
trip, and he.
HY.
He was like the bad boy.
You could sit and watch
Well,
that.
That's the version that is present in the dog
It's a
is
reach out.
fairly new. Revelation.
Buffy.
Buffy, I'm sorry, we just came in.
Oh,
They're
that's fine.
supposed to go to have your line.
Yeah, you
So
did,
get,
you did
get-
fine.
get-
I'm just telling Sharon. So, retrap. You knew that? Okay.
I kinda knew that.
Okay.
That's the same one that bit me, it's really tasty.
2421.
2421.
I like them,
36,
I like them when they're
36,
big enough I can get on my thing.
762. No, it's
Everybody
not the
else
same
uses
one.
those.
Not the same one,
The
okay.
other one
I
was
like it
97.
because you put a couple fingers in them.
9.
95.
Boy, he really caught me in a tender spot, it's still a mark
Is
there.
it the same one?
Is
No,
it the same one? It's not?
no, because this was not, yours was 979 and this one's 762.
Oh,
He
Hi,
was-
Kathy.
Hi Kathy.
he was,
Okay.
He was mad.
I tried.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was caught goofy, that's why you were having a problem. He had been in the deck before and gone through a hole.
Got it. Talk about your frustrations in the tick.
Tick petting's-
We do have deer tick out here.
Retrap.
You can tell a deer tick is